We're gonna be stepping on their necks all summer. We are eating the girls up. We are eating the girls down. Well, I ain't eating them up or down. And where did the wig go?
Now I'm catching feelings, baby.
Hi, I am Adri and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to Adri Land. I'm so glad you guys joined me today. We got a beautiful wig from UNice here. Wow. If you guys like the way this wig is looking and you want to hear more about how easy your summer is going to be because you're just going to be able to plop this wig on, then stay tuned. Hello ladies and gentlemen. We got our package from UNice. You guys, UNice was so amazing to send us this beautiful unit. You guys, I am so excited. I have been itching to open this. Oh, oh my god. You guys. Oh my god, you guys, this is our first collaboration wig. I am so excited. Look at how pretty the box is, and if you know my aesthetic, y'all. If you know, you know. This box is so freaking beautiful. Okay. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and get to it. We're gonna go a freaking head. Oh my god. Ooh. We're gonna take it out like this. Goodies in here. Hold on. Okay, here is the wig. This is the 7x5 byebye knots lace wig. Y'all, it says hair disinfected on here. And it shows when it was made and the time. Oh, I love that. Ooh. Okay, y'all. We got 2 HD wig caps. It came with 2 HD wig caps. And it came with some more goodies. Am I a UNice girl now? Hold on. Oh my gosh, you guys. I love these. We got a UNice melt band. And then they gave us some freaking nails. You guys, I needed my nails done. Yo, this sent us 4 freaking wig caps. Oh my god, you guys. They sent us a robe. Putting it on now. Please fit, please fit, please fit. So I feel like when they send you robes, there should definitely be some that's from plus size friendly too. I'm not mad that they sent me this, but I knew they knew I was a plus size girl. Hold on. Well, our back too big. It's so cute though. I would love a plus size option. UNice. It's okay. It's cute. Thank you for the gift. Thank you for everything. Let's get into the wig. Let's get into the wig, honey. This is a 24-inch. This is the byebye knots wig. Y'all, this is so beautiful. It's one of the Glueless, the pre-everything wigs. That's why I came with a full face, because I just want to be able to throw this wig on. It came with an elastic band. They gave us some wig tape. It looks like it's pre-curled already. Look at how gorgeous this is. I am excited because I see baby hair that I don't have to do. Look at the hair. Look at how gorgeous, and it's pre-curled. What more can you ask for pre-everything? Look at the hairline. It comes with the baby hairs already. And it's pre-curled, y'all. And we got the upgraded one. We got the one that also has the C shape for our glasses wearers, bifocal gang, glasses gang. This is a 7x5. It comes with the adjustable straps. We're gonna take this off. I know I look crazy, but we did this hair just for this. We really could use this, but I don't want to mess up the makeup around here. I just want to see without using any of the tape. We're gonna put her on here. It has the non-slip grip on there. Got it in there. Okay, I love how this one has really nice security. It's not trying to slip out of the loop. The makeup ain't going nowhere. I'm gonna flip that way. We're gonna put one of these HD wig caps on. I don't have time to play. It's gonna keep messing up my braids. Ooh, comes with that too. Woo! Just gonna see how good it looks and see if I need to pull it back. Ooh. Okay, we're not gonna put this underneath. Ooh, it's nice and stretchy. Oh, fine. Okay, it feels nice and snug. Oh my god, y'all, this is so cool. And I can pull these. No, we don't have any combs. I feel like it's not going anywhere. Love. Y'all, I haven't put any makeup, nothing. All I did was put the wig cap. You know what I love about this is the C shape for us glass wearers. It's not hurting your ear. Perfect. The only thing I don't like is that for me, I'm thinking we should have a slightly bigger cap option for these over here. Other than that, I would love to try a 13x4, 13x6. I got a big old head. I got a really big head, but this is looking really good actually. And it's not coming down over my ears is what's really selling me. And it's snug on my head. It's not going anywhere. It's not moving. Since it comes pre-styled, I'm just gonna, you know, run my fingers through here a little bit. Not too crazy. Nothing too crazy. Shake it around a little. Super cute. I love this. I thought it was actually kind of thin at first, but I'm actually coming into it. Hold on. Look at how gorgeous this is. Of course, I'm gonna flatten it with my hot comb, but pretty much, honey, you are ready to go. It's already super flat. It's something about this wig cap, dude. This part is what's bothering me. Pull it back a little bit. I didn't put any makeup on it. I didn't have to do anything with the baby hair. Look at how they're already laying. If you are looking for a wear and go wig, this is the freaking wig. You see this? And I have been loving a good glueless moment. Glueless wigs are the new wave, and I'm not mad at it. I don't even remember me looking this good. And where did the wig go? It just helped us loosen our curls. The wig didn't go a dog on inch. And the fact that it's pre-plucked, this is the first glueless wig that I've had actually sit right and snug on my head. Like, not because my head is too big, but snug because I want to say it's unclockable. I didn't put any makeup. You see it? I might use a melting spray, but that's it. You just put it right on. Okay, now if you would like, you could put makeup on it, but you see it. Glasses wearers, this is for you. And it comes down to here. I wonder how good it's gonna look with a side part. Ooh, hello. You know what? That could look super cute, y'all. We could put something cute up like this. This hair is freaking silky and gorgeous. Y'all, this hair feels good. It does have a slight factory smell to it. It does smell brand new. No shedding either. Whoever constructed this wig needs a raise. I can't stop running my fingers through the hair. So soft. This is gonna be my favorite summer wig. I didn't cut it. I didn't bleach the knots. I didn't pluck it. The wig came pre-everything. Part of me wants to layer it so the curls will pop more. I am obsessed. I don't want glue getting all cakey up here and I'll be sweating and just I live and I die. I'm getting a little snaggage, but I feel like that's because I didn't wash it. I just put it on straight from the box, and this is their 24-inch. I don't want to sleep with this. I could take this off and plop it back on in the morning in 2 seconds. You don't even see the knots. If you guys enjoyed today's video, be sure to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Share it to everybody. This summer is gonna be so easy. Braids who? I don't even have to wear braids. I can go on vacation with this wig and it's not gonna look crazy. I need something for vacation. We're going to Vegas next month and we're gonna be going to Atlanta. We're gonna be going to Mexico, y'all. This is a wonderful vacation wig and I'm dying to try out new textures. Look at all this freaking parting space. The parting space goes all the way back here, y'all. Yeah, I feel like it fits me and the wig is not boneless. I will leave the specs down below if you guys are interested in this wig. The link will also be down below and you guys check out UNice's website. The proof is in the freaking pudding. But if you also don't want to have to tweak this wig at all, this is the wig for you and it's super affordable and we have the codes down below. If you guys want to see more wig tutorials from me, I have them coming up. Just stay tuned. I'm gonna need some more of these because I like this. I can't say I'd wear it on a water slide, but we're gonna be stepping on their necks all summer. We are eating the girls up. We are eating the girls down. Well, I ain't eating them up or down. Y'all men can do that. But for me, I feel like a whole new woman. We're almost at 5K subscribers now. Y'all have almost 5,000 subscribers. Cause I am you. You are me. We just flatten this out a little bit. I don't want it crazy looking. And I don't need it up like that.
Here's Honey by Mariah Carey on Apple Music.
I didn't tell you to play that. This is the Andes. Just a little simple hot comb. Here. Just add whatever's left on this brush that I used earlier. Y'all look at how cute this is. I love these little tendrils in the front. We can just put it on the whole part because I'm not trying to do too much. This is the finished look. If you guys like this wig, cute pictures. And then I messed it up with the lace. Cute! Like when I tell you this picture was so cute until I messed it up with the lace. Let me use my bronzing brush. And you can fix the baby hairs if you want. I just decided to leave them the way they are. You can brush them out. They're not hard to brush out. See? I will catch you guys in the next video. Leave all your comments. And of course, I'm taking constructive criticism. But don't be mean. I love you guys so much. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share. Hit the bell notifications so you are notified every time I post. Every time I upload. Because you love me.